Here we go. CBJ doing a box of SP Game Used Hockey. Hoping to hit big. Good luck, sir. One, two, three, four, five. We're almost there, James. You're almost there. All right, first up, Jonas Broden, Rookie Fabrics. First card out. It's funny going from SPX to this because of how much fatter these are. Next up, that's pretty good dual rookie fabric, Nail Yakupov and Nathan McKinnon. Jordan Schrader, Rookie Fabrics. Here's your auto. Pretty solid. Authentic Rookie Autograph, Mikhail Grigorenko. And Ryan Murray, Rookie Fabrics, Blue Jackets. Make sure I didn't miss one of those. Pretty hard to miss, but I always check for the parallels afterwards just to make sure. Sometimes I can sneak. Nope. Okay. There you have it, sir.